The present is constantly at the forefront of our minds because we're thinking about the future, because we've always pioneered the vehicle technologies of tomorrow, and because we keep reinventing ourselves by going back to the beginning every time, starting from scratch with a blank sheet of paper and an idea. The 918 Spyder. This is the lightest V8 we've ever made in series production, inspired by motorsport, but redesigned from the ground up. With a 4.6-liter displacement, 447 kilowatts and 608 horsepower, it has the highest power output per liter at 97 kilowatts or 132 horsepower of any Porsche naturally aspirated engine. The two electric motors deliver a total output of 210 kilowatts, 286 horsepower for e-boost, electric all-wheel drive, and purely electric driving. The specially designed extremely powerful battery is positioned low down in the middle of the vehicle. A high-performance hybrid brake system uses recuperation to recover energy through the two electric units, or the vehicle charge point can be connected to an external electrical supply. 3 power units, system performance of 652 kilowatts, 887 horsepower, and dispatching 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. The top speed, 343 kilometers per hour. Maximum torque, 1,280 Newton meters. Combined fuel consumption, 3.3 to 3.0 liters per 100 kilometers. 4 different modes plus a hot lap function control the way the electric motors and V8 engine interact. E-Power mode is ideal for driving the 918 Spyder on electric power only. The combustion engine is used solely when needed. In hybrid mode, the electric motors and combustion engine work alternately with a focus on optimizing fuel consumption. In sport hybrid mode, the combustion engine operates continuously with the electric motors providing support in the form of electric boosting. In race hybrid mode, the boost performance of the electric motors is further increased. The hot lap configuration unleashes maximum performance. Gears are changed like in motorsport, taking down to 50 milliseconds with the 7-speed Porsche Doppelkupplung transmission, PDK. Top pipes appear for the first time in a production vehicle, enabling the engine to breathe more freely for more power output and torque, along with a distinctive sound that is stoked with emotion.